In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord avatar profile picture on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your new look shows up everywhere you chat. This works the same in the desktop app and in a browser on your computer. Start by looking to the very bottom left corner of Discord. You'll see your current profile area with your picture and username. Click on your profile there. That opens your profile preview so you can quickly view how others see you. Next, select Edit Profile. This takes you into the profile editor, which is the place where you control your display name, bio, banner, and, of course, your avatar. If you've never been here before, don't worry. The options are straightforward and you can back out at any time. Inside the profile editor, click your profile icon and choose Change Avatar. This is the button that tells Discord you want to swap your current picture for a new one. When you click it, your computer's file picker will open so you can select an image. Now upload your avatar and you're set. Choose a clear image from your computer. PNG or JPG works great. If you have Discord Nitro and want an animated avatar, you can pick a GIF too. Once you select your file, Discord may show a quick crop or zoom interface. Use that to center your face or logo so it looks good as a small circle in servers and DMs. A square image usually gives you the cleanest result, and higher resolution helps keep it crisp. If you're deciding between a few options, keep in mind how your avatar appears tiny in the member list. High contrast and simple shapes stand out best. Avoid text-heavy images, since small text won't be readable when your avatar is minimized. After the upload finishes and the preview looks right, your new avatar will appear on your profile and across Discord. It's that simple. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment to refresh. Sometimes the update can take a few seconds to show up everywhere, and that's all there is to it. Click your profile at the bottom left, select Edit Profile, choose Change Avatar, then upload your image. A quick change, a cleaner look, and you're ready to jump back into your servers with a fresh identity. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Discord profile picture on PC.